What is going on YouTube? Hitting back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. This has been a requested video for, I'd probably say like 2 or 3 days now. We haven't reviewed Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, or Dogecoin in a while here on the channel. We've actually started to look at Crypto.com. But if you guys have another cryptocurrency you would like to see me review or analyze here on the channel, definitely make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. But with that being said, guys, I do want to look at SHIB, Floki, as well as Doge. We're starting to see actually some progress here on some of these major cryptocurrencies, specifically SHIB and Doge, not so much Floki, which we'll talk about. But we actually saw SHIB break outside of its falling wedge, which finally has happened here. We are coming up on some pretty strong resistances, which you can start to see here, but we broke the falling wedge, which was a key buy-in opportunity, and here we are moving back to the upside here. Now, we're also going to be looking at Doge 2, which had a similar play out, which we also have to talk about. Floki, not so much. Floki has still been inside a falling wedge, more so like a pennant flag formation here, where we have continued to just trend sideways and hit resistances and supports and just float inside the falling wedge. So hopefully soon we'll see, Floki Inu break, but that'll probably come after the run happens within Shiba. But with that being said, guys, I do want to give a huge shout out to Bison for sponsoring today's episode. More information about Bison token or the Bison Army will be at the end of today's video, so stay tuned for that. I have linked them down in the description below if you'd like to check them out earlier. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So where do we even start? I guess looking at Dogecoin here, or we'll go to the current coin market cap. A refresh shows that Doge is actually only up 2.8%, nothing really during the week here, but we do have SHIB, which is now trading, wow, at number 16. It actually got bumped out by crypto, which is not seemingly, there it is. Okay, Shiba Inu is trading at number 16. They're very similar in regards to their market cap here, but it did get bumped out all the way to number 16. Volume is leaving SHIB here, but it is up 7.2% in the week, which isn't that bad compared to Crypto.com, only up 5.6% for today specifically. Now, jumping into these cryptocurrencies, Doge, what we have to look at is we do know what this recent flare-up was originally. This was due to Elon Musk putting out a tweet saying they want to accept Dogecoin to buy specific merchandise here on their website, which is cool, don't get me wrong. Now, I do think that spike was actually helpful. I mean, in all hindsight, it did actually break us above our major resistance that started back in October, end of October into November here. You can even say it was November 8th or November 9th when the official correction actually started here. And then since then, it's been a slow grind to the bottom here, just trading inside of here. It wasn't just Doge, though. It was pretty much every single freaking cryptocurrency. I mean, pulling up XRP here, same exact situation where prices have been trading since the 8th or the 9th in this falling wedge, finally finding a bottom, then breaking out. Much bigger here than all the other cryptos, though, XRP, but Ethereum, once again, has also been in a falling wedge since the same price point around 8th or the 9th. Doge clearly longer, and then also Bitcoin in a falling wedge, which has yet to break out. So Bitcoin, Ethereum haven't broke out yet. XRP has. This is what's foreshadowing what I believe is to come with Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as within Floki and, within Shiba and Doge here. Now, what we can say for right now within Doge is that because we broke outside of this resistance, this is a good sign. So that little bump kind of put some eyes back on Dogecoin here, and it allowed us to actually trade outside of the resistance, which is great. We actually started to use the top of the resistance level instead of we started to use the bottom of the resistance level as a support instead of the top here. We didn't bounce off of it and fall. We actually came back onto it, used it as support, and it's starting to lift off of it, which is good. It's nothing incredible yet. Yes, we did break through the falling wedge. That's great. Is it an entry point yet to buy in? No. We haven't seen the lift off that we need just yet. So hopefully in the next couple of days, we'll be able to see that. But I think everything specifically within Doge actually breaking bullish is intertwined within cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin. They have also not yet actually broken bullish yet. Only Bitcoin has actually managed to trade outside its falling wedge, similar to Doge, but it hasn't actually seen the spike or the entry point that we need just yet. So we're waiting for that confirmation. I do believe it's coming soon, though. I do believe markets are set to flip towards the end of December into January here. So I do anticipate a swing like that to actually take place within Doge. So I'm not worried. It is, if you're going to buy into it now, I don't see a big issue with it. Maybe putting a stop loss a little bit lower here, but holding on to it. I think in the grand scheme of things, we will start to swing back to the upside here. Same thing within SHIB. SHIB is the only one that like reasonably shows a good positive reversal outside of the falling wedge. This is key, but there are some pretty big resistances we're currently hitting. So looking at XRP, problem zone that it's currently facing right now is this area right here. It's a resistance, which we are trading above today, which is support at about $0.97 right here. No, 94 cents. You can see problem zones it's had. Just trying to make sure that is clear. Currently battling that right now. So moving forward again, the biggest problem zone is its moving average. This is a big problem for XRP. Shiba Inu having a similar problem here. So looking back in on Shiba here, you can see this is a problem zone. This purple band has been a very big problem zone for this coin here. So I do want to kind of outline when I would buy into SHIB. I didn't buy into it yet, but I would wait for a specific thing to happen. Then I would buy in on Bityard, which we'll talk about. But you can see we've used it as a support 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. 5 days consolidating here. This was pretty much confirming support here. We broke through it. Started to use it as a resistance 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 days, 7 days. Hitting this. Clearly, this is a problem area for SHIB. Currently, we managed to break bullish outside of the falling wedge, which started back October 27th. In this falling wedge, haven't been able to break through this resistance since then. So it's been a total of 54 days of this bear market. Finally, we managed to succumb to that and break through it, which is, it's great. It's amazing. We broke through that and we're starting to head up. This would have been a good buying opportunity, obviously, but regardless, for those that haven't entered it, including myself, what we're looking for right now is this is a problem zone, just like I explained within XRP. That was terrible. This is the problem zone. What I mean by that is we have moving averages that are resistance. We have Bollinger Bands resistance. We have this price floor or price ceiling acting as a resistance. So ultimately, what the key, so yes, we've confirmed the break. This definitely swings the way the markets look, more so 70% bullish instead of it being like 60-40 here. But now what would really confirm, like I'd say an 80-20 or 90-10 confirmation would be breaching this resistance here, breaking and closing above this level. I'd say above the red band here, closing a daily candle above here would signify a swing back to the upside here. And it'd be a substantial run. I mean, look at what we've had before. They always form, or SHIB specifically always forms these, triangle formations, then breaks. You can see, another triangle similar, and then a break here, maybe descending triangle or falling wedge. Regardless, we're in a position now where we need to confirm breaking, wow, I hate when that does that, breaking above these resistances here to confirm that we're going to continue to head up. We have pretty much done so and helped reassure ourselves that bulls are back here, but a key buying opportunity is still here. So you're not late if you haven't bought in already. I'm waiting specifically for this zone to be broken for us to then buy in. And if I go to Bityard here and pull up SHIB, which I did link in the description if you wanted to leverage trade Shiba Inu here, you can see what it is that we were dealing with. There is clearly some sort of resistance that was on the coin. Going back to SHIB here, you can kind of see that playing out right now. And then going back to Bityard here, there was a support. It's actually quite comical that the correction it had pulled us all the way back down to like the original break that we had, or close to it. Not necessarily it was actually the original break. Quite surprising, actually. It's managed to pull itself all the way back down to its solid support, which we expected would be the point of breakout we originally had back in October here, last week of October. So the fact that we retested that does show signs of support, and hopefully we can stay above there. So you can see here, we just started to break this resistance using this support. This is a terrible color. Let's do something more vibrant. Yes, this works. We just started to break through this resistance, and that is signifying a potential run to the upside here. So we're looking now for specific confirmation. You can also see where we're having issues with the, I think this is the 40-day moving average. We're seeing green band is the 99-day. So 25 and 7-day moving average are becoming problematic for us. Even, I guess so, even the 99-day moving average. They're all kind of intertwined here. We need to get out of that. If we can get out of this and close a little higher, then we can expect the run. That would also influence Dogecoin to see a very similar reaction, which would swing us up because we are undervalued. I think a price target set at 24, if not closer to 25 cents. 25 cents being the resistance level that the coin wants to swing up to. And this all depends on if we can confirm a little bit higher of a pull to the upside here, then the swing would continue. That's going to wrap up the video for today, guys. I do want to talk more about Bison Army with you. I want to give a huge shout out to Bison Army for sponsoring today's episode. As with all crypto projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, this project is fairly new and it does kind of worry me, especially with certain things on their website and the way their token can be bought. So guys, make sure to definitely cover all grounds before investing in this crypto if you do plan on doing so. Otherwise, just hear me out in regards to what exactly this project is and what this project has to offer to the crypto space. A team of 17 crypto experts launched a project called Bison Army, and in 2021, the meme coin market saw exponential growth, especially the dog-themed meme coins. And as of November 2021, one of the most popular breeds is Dogecoin, and its rival Shiba Inu really became a thing. And meme coins are meme-inspired cryptocurrencies, and they tend to be highly volatile compared to major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And this is likely because meme coins are heavily community-driven tokens, and their prices are usually influenced by social media and online community sentiments. And this often brings a lot of hype, but also FOMO and financial risk. Now, while it's true that some traders have actually become rich with meme coins, many have actually lost money due to market volatility. And with that in mind, the Bison Army was made by professional website and coding experts, and they created Bison Army by XRPL because they believe XRP and Ripple are the game changers for the next generation of blockchains. Now, although Bison has big goals, the simplest reasons for Bison superiority are the following three principles. Bison Army will have three special softwares, which will be the DEX wallet, the DEX exchange, and the DEX social media. Now, for those who don't know what actually DEX is, really enough to imagine that all the power and control is in the hands of the user instead of a manufacturer. And now Bison Army was created under the XRPL networks, which I'll explain has many advantages. But in short, the best and most important point of this network is the speed of payment and the receipt, as well as the fast confirmation of transactions and the extraordinary security. Now guys, to better understand this network, it is better to know that according to statistics, many banks interested in blockchain use XRPL networks. And Bison Army currently has 100 billion tokens, which are priced at 0.00002 in a pre-sale for $2 million market cap. And from 100 billion tokens, 55% will be airdropped or were airdropped to pre-sale buyers of Bison Army token and XR Doge holders as well as XRP holders. Now lastly, in a couple of days, Bison will run an email tube system, which will benefit all users worldwide to earn crypto by reading email promotions from advertisers. Also, there will be an airdrop for all XRP holders on January of 2022, so definitely stay tuned for that. Otherwise, guys, if you want to learn more about Bison Army, then definitely make sure to check out the links in the description. Otherwise, huge shout out to Bison for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.